Hey, what's up guys, welcome to FindGap, and in today's video I'm going to teach you how you can call a function from another component in React.js. So basically in this video we will define our function in our parent component and we will call it from our child component. So without any delay, let's start. First of all, you can see that this is our app component. I will hide this, and here let me declare a function which will say show alert is equal to this, and inside this we will type an alert like happy coding. Okay, so now inside the return statement we need to import our child component, but before importing this we need to create that. So first of all, what I'm going to do, I will create my another component in the same file named app.tsx. so first of all, I will type here function child component. That's it. And now we need to import this component in our parent component. So what I'm going to do, I will type here like this child component, and now if you can see we have this function, so we need to pass this function as a props. So let me type here show is equal to, and here I will pass my function name which will be show alert. So we have passed this as a props. So now inside our child component we will receive our function using this attribute named show. So now in our child component, first of all we need to get props, or you can say this like prop, and here return. I will create a fragment here, and now I need to create a button here which will say on click is equal to prop dot show. Let me copy and paste this here, and now I will type here show alert as a text. So we have done with our code. Now let me run our application so I can show you the output. Terminal, new terminal, and inside this we need to type here npm run dev. I will control click on this. So you can see that we have button here which exists in our child component, and once I will click on it you can see that happy coding. So the button was exist inside our this child component, and the function that we have called was exist in another component means its parent component. So friends, I hope that this video will be helpful for you. If you have question, you can ask us in the comment section. Before leaving the video, I would like to share that we have another tutorials of React.js in our YouTube channel, so please visit our YouTube channel to learn React. And finally, thanks for watching.